Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update employment information in Chase app, profile update step by step clearly. Open the Chase app on your mobile device. Log in using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the main menu. Look for the profile option in the menu. Tap on profile to access your account settings. Select personal information from the list. Here, you will see your current employment information displayed. Tap on the section labeled Employment Information. You will find an Edit button, click on it. Now, update your job title as needed. Next, enter the name of your employer in the designated field. If applicable, modify your employment status from the options provided. Make sure to enter your work phone number if required. After updating your information, review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, tap on the Save button. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your changes were successful. Exit the profile section when you're done. That's it. You've successfully updated your employment information in the Chase app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.